It's a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. Premium space, spirited performance, and a healthy dose of fun for all who ride inside. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive notes that everything is easy to reach and operate. The materials are nice, the seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of room in both the front and rear seats, with comfortable seating for 4, capability for 5. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. Experience it for yourself today.
At Tustin Lexus, we'll do everything we can to help you drive away in the vehicle that's just right for you. Tustin Lexus, conveniently located at 45 Auto Center Drive in Tustin, California.